attention. Take it slow, take your time. Maybe it's better to mention moments passing by, a secret to tell. I had something on my mind, and maybe it's you that has left me behind.